Filming stunts while driving a high-performance car isn't a smart move. The driver of a McLaren Senna, packing 789 horsepower, learned this lesson firsthand after losing control on a public street in California and crashing into a building, causing significant damage. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily videos and stay tuned for fresh content every day. Join us now. A video circulating on social media early Monday shows the Senna cruising down Ventura Boulevard in Los Angeles before the driver decided to show off, performing a donut for spectators before speeding away. Unfortunately, things went south as the car lost control and hit the curb in front of a Lexus dealership. The aftermath, captured in the video posted on Reddit, reveals the extent of the damage. The front end of the Senna is severely damaged, with the passenger side door open and the front right wheel pushed backward and outward. The driver's identity remains uncertain, although there are speculations that it might be Edmund Mondi Barsigian, a YouTuber who gained notoriety for totaling his Hummer EV after driving it for only 9 miles. In a recent video on Barsigian's channel, he can be seen taking delivery of what appears to be the same Senna, pushing its limits on public roads and describing it as crazy fast. Photos of the car were also shared on his Instagram story. Given the Senna's high value, it's unlikely to be declared a total loss by the insurance company. However, repairs will be costly, especially if there's damage to the carbon fiber monocoque. Let's hope that whoever drives the McLaren next treats it with more care.